Well, my whole object was to have her work published, especially to an English-speaking audience, which successfully was done. Like her, I was not interested in any monetary returns, just simply to have it published by a reputable publisher and put out there. And it was very rewarding to me personally that my mother's work was being recognized for what it was. And that was its own reward for me. I was very happy because that was my only object, and it turned out right.